Hi, hello everyone. We're doing the walk around for the A380 flight 003 to London Heathrow from Doha. You look at the probes, the static ports. You look at the general condition of the tires, the radium. Nothing is missing. There's no peel or paint from any other part. Look at the general condition of all the antennas are in position, and then you get to see all the engines. It's rotating. There's no damage as such. You look at the navigation lights. It's on and it's in a good condition, and you can see the static ports also. You got the horizontal stabilizer. It looks fine. You got all the static wicks are in order. It all looks nice and neat, and it looks good. Now we can go back to the cockpit and finish off our primary cockpit calculations. Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to this Qatar Airways flight QR003 from Doha, Hamad, to London Heathrow. My name is Daria, I'm the captain.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Bogdan Ivanov, Senior First Officer A380, and welcome on this QR flight 003 to London.
Qatari 69 Lima, push and start approved, facing south on Whiskey 2. Sorry, 1178, contact the tower, 118.025, bye-bye.
Tower 118.025, Qatari 1178, good morning.
Via Whiskey 1 Kilo, and second after.
Alpha 1704, ground push and start approved.
Cool down.
Qatar, continue to Kilo, Lima 1.
Neutral.
Able Lima 2 Qatari, line 3, Bravo.
Sorry, 38 Charlie. Taxi Kilo
right.
Romeo, short of Tango 1. Sorry, 38 Charlie on Romeo, contact ground east 120.225.
Good morning, Qatari 44 Lima ahead.
Manual flex 65 SRS runway, altitude thrust blue.
Check thrust set.
V1.
Rotate. What's the climb?
Gear up.
Gear up.
Nav.
Arabia 135, descent unrestricted 6,000 feet. Descent 6,000 feet, 135. Qatari 167, contact radar south 120.675. 120.675, Qatari 160, good day. Charlie. Do you have any speed control for Emirates 9 Charlie? Absolutely.
Airbus 790.
Qatari 69 Lima, speed 250 knots, descent flight 190.
Heading 240, log blue.
160
Clear only for the localize.
6 Bravo, hello, 23 miles, 27 right,
Speed VS.
180 knots.
So 160 till 5.
27 miles, 27 right, speed 180 Renault. 180 knots, decent right, Qatari 69 Lima, speed 160 knots, maintain to 5 DME.
165 Qatari 69 Lima.
160 till 5, roger.
Keep that 5.
2,500.
Gear down.
Qatari 69 Lima, contact the tower 118.705, bye-bye.
18705 by Qatar 69 Lima.
Minimum
Continue.
$100, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard.
Spoiler. Reverse. BTV diesel.
Check.
Next left.
Very far.
Qatar 69 Lima taxi to hold Echo 2.
Taxi and hold Echo 2, Qatar 69 Lima.
Qatar 69 Lima, contact ground 121.705. Bye bye.
India Alpha, thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to London. We arrived in London Heathrow, as you can see, and took us a flying time of 6 hours and 51 minutes. Thank you very much for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure, and take care.
Okay, so now we are going to proceed to check the aircraft before we proceed with the flight. That's the walk around we do every day before every flight. All the static cores, they are not obstructed or any debris or damage. In here we check our props, heated tube, there is also no obstructions in there. Our nose, we check the engine, we check the blades are fine. The engine nacelle. Now we are checking the wings. We check our navigation lights. They are good, they are working. We have green lights over the right wing, and then on the left wing we will see the red light. Now we are going to check the stabilizer and the elevator.
Good morning. My name is Captain Khalid Al Ibrahim with me today.
Good morning. My name is Carolina, and Senior First Officer in Qatar Airways.
So today we'll be flying to Maldives. Our flight time for today is 4 hours and 10 minutes. We'll be going up to 37,000 feet. And the routing we're taking today, picture paints 1,000 words. That's what it's going to look like. That's our routing for today. The weather, we're expecting good weather for today. And it might be a bit rainy over there when we get there, with approximately 28-29 degrees.
Sorry, Yankee, I'm ground. Good morning to you. Push and start as approved, facing south on Delta.
Facing south on Delta, approved. Qatar 8 Yankee.
Cockpit, parking brake released, commencing the pushback now, facing south on Delta.
Qatar 8 Yankee, behind departing 777, line up way 34 right, Alpha behind. Behind 777, line up runway 34 right, behind Qatar 8 Yankee.
Red bars are gone, 34 right, Alpha identified, final is clear. Advising the crew.
Taxi Alpha, holding point 34 right.
Taxi Alpha, holding point 34 right, Qatar 60 Mike.
Sorry, 90 kilo, taxi Alpha 1, holding point runway 34 right.
Taxi holding 001.
V1.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Enough.
Checked. Departure ready. Good morning. Qatar 8 Yankee, crossing 700 feet, pass on the Boeing 12,000 is set via the SIT.
Check. Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps 1.
Qatar 8 Yankee, understood. Got climb down, turn right, proceed direct Lotum.
Lotum direct and unrestricted climb 12,000, Qatar 8 Yankee.
Confirm Lotum.
Thanks, kid.
But we are talking right now actually with Muscat, Oman. And then we will enter over the oceanic and Mumbai airspace. Over there we have a special pursuit that we need to do. So basically we will contact like 10 minutes before Mumbai. via HF, and also here on board we have this tool, the CPDLC. So basically we will log on here with Mumbai, and over here we can report where are we, where is our next point. Even if we want to climb or descend, we can do everything through this tool without the need to call to Mumbai. We will be talking for a while with Mumbai, and until we enter in the airspace with Maldives with its BIPGO. So this flight is an ETOPS flight, what they call an ETOPS flight, because big amount of our flying time will be over the water.
Flaps 1.
Speed check, flaps 1.
Qatar 8 Yankee, can you track direct to Mike 543?
This is 2000 direct Mike 543, clear for the ILS Yankee, runway 36, Qatar 8 Yankee.
Okay, descend 2,000 feet.
Firm.
2,000 set, flaps 5.
Speed check, flaps 5.
I'll keep the speed.
Yep.
Gear down, flaps 20.
Gear down, speed check, flaps 20.
Let's have captured.
Check.
Qatar 8 Yankee, Malay, Taswell, land runway 3629070 knots.
Clear to land runway 36, Qatar 8 Yankee.
Alright, clear to land.
Okay, speed is set.
Checked.
What was the wind again? Can you ask her?
Yeah.
2908 knots.
2908.
Check, landing checklist.
Landing checklist complete.
Checklist complete.
Thank you.
Plan 3, roll out flare arms.
Let's check. $1,000 stable.
Checked. Autopilot coming off.
Check. Flight director.
Checked.
100. Minimums.
Continue.
Checked.
$50, $40, $30, $20, $10.
Speed brake up. Reverse or normal.
$50, $40, $30, $20, $10.
Speed brake up. Reverse or normal. Shutdown checklist is completed.
Checked.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Captain. Thank you so much for seeing us online, and we hope to see you in one of our flights very soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure having you all on board. And like Carolina said, we hope to see you again on one of our other flights. Thank you.
Welcome to the Boeing 787 Qatar Airways. We're doing QR1476 from Doha to Dar es Salaam. We're flying Bravo Charlie November today, which is a 787-800 series, the Dreamliner, as you know. And I will be doing the external aircraft inspection at the moment. So please come with me. We will look at our packs for the air conditioning. Just make sure that everything is good there. Our static ports. Everything is clear of ice and debris, the forward main wheels, and everything looks good. The nose radome, everything is good. Diverter strips are there, all in a good condition. At the engines, we check obviously that the fan blades are in a good condition. There are no chips. We'll check that everything is latched underneath and there's been no damage to our engines at all. Then we check the tailpipes. Everything looks in a good condition. Tires are in a good condition. Our carbon fiber brakes, they're all in a good condition. This is our carbon steel brakes, so these pins can give us a good indication of how new they are. So if you see those pins far out, we're very happy with that, right? All the leading edge, the slats are in a good condition. Our vents, our jets, our navigation light on the right side is on. Our static discharge porches are all there and in a good condition. Then we check our flaps, our Kruger flaps, our aileron, vertical stabilizer, horizontal stabilizer, and obviously the elevators. Everything is in a good condition. That's it. Exterior inspection completed. Thank you for joining us.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Hassan Al-Haddad, Qatar Airways captain of a Boeing 787. I'm from Qatar. I started my job as a pilot since second officer stage with the same company. It's my local company and my national carrier. Today we'll be taking you on a flight to Dar es Salaam, and we will be going on a 5 hours and 25 minutes flight. We're cruising at a final altitude of 40,000 feet and expecting a nice weather for en route and arrival there. Will be clear skies in Dar es Salaam, and we hope that you enjoy the flight with us.
Hi, good morning everybody. Danita from South Africa. I'm a first officer here in Qatar Airways. I've been in the company for 14 years. Been very privileged to join this company right in 2008. I started off as a cabin crew in economy, and about 3 years ago I had the amazing opportunity to join the flight operations side. Started off as a second officer and recently became first officer, and having the privilege of doing this flight with Captain Hassan and everybody, and looking very forward to taking you with us to Dar es Salaam. Thank you. Rotate.
Sorry, 55.
Positive rate.
Care of. Approach 124775, wind 320 degrees at 1 knots, runway 34 right, clear to take off today.
Okay, 10,000.
Check. Shall I do landing review?
Landing review, please.
Landing review, we have the RNAV for runway 05 right. So we have also RNAV inbound course 047, which is identified on both sides. Minimum 606 sets on both sides.
Starting reduce. Flaps 5, please.
Speed check. Flaps 5.
Now it's taking a ramp.
And approach checklist.
Approach checklist. Altimeters.
QNH is 1016, cross check.
Approach checklist is complete.
Thank you very much.
Landing checklist is complete.
Checklist complete.
And clear to land.
Thank you very much.
Quebec approved.
Quebec for runway 05 and what is the connection?
Stable.
Check.
Minimums.
Continue.
400.
Leave the flight director off, please.
300. 200.
Correcting.
Check.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20.
Private Alpha for Golf Center comes out Bavaya. Wazo 1 correction via Bongoyo 1837 feet.
Speed break up.
Code 4064.
Reverse is normal.
Please Zanzibar, Bongoyo 186 Asante Alpha Golf.
was a very standard, very normal, lovely flight that we had today. Weather was great, and it was a very good experience for us, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And Hassan, anything to add?
Well, thank you for joining us and welcome to Dar es Salaam. It is always a pleasure to have a guest inside the cockpit, and we hope to see you soon, maybe in some other flights. Thank you.
So before every departure, the pilots has to do a thorough external checks of the aircraft. First thing first, we check the static port. Static port is unobstructed, is clear of any debris, clear of any dirt. Okay. Make sure the tires are in a good position. Check also the lights. So these are the taxi lights, the top one, and bottom one are the runway turn-off lights. Okay. To make sure pitot tube is not obstructed. It's all clear, and we have the ice detector and also the angle of attack. Make sure that there's no paint peeling. Okay, the strip are all in the correct position. Air conditioner intake is no obstruction. The cowling is all latch. Okay, there is no leak, there is no oil leak. Turbine, okay, make sure the turbine is in a good condition, no dent, there is no damage. Okay, navigation lights are working, and the static discharge wick in position. Okay, so make sure the fuel jettison nozzle is intact, no obstruction. Okay. And again, we check the leading edge with trailing edge flaps. So these are the trailing edge flaps. Okay. Check the condition of the horizontal stabilizer and the vertical stabilizer. There is a static port over there. Okay, it's all clear. Hello, good morning. Welcome on board for all our viewers. My name is Abdul Rahim. I'll be the operating captain on this flight from Hamad International Airport, Doha to Charles de Gaulle, Paris. With me on board is my colleague. I'm Juan. Hello. So we will be flying from Doha to Paris, and our aircraft is a Boeing 747-8 freighter. And the flight time today is going to be around 6 hours and 30 minutes. Initially we'll be climbing to 32,000 feet and a final altitude of 34,000 feet. Okay.
V1.
Rotate. Positive rate. You're up.
Heading 120, descend 5000, QNH 1006, and intercept the ILS 08 right, Qatari A994. The Gaulle Tower, hello, good afternoon, Qatari A994 heavy on the ILS 8.
Air Canada 87350 degrees 9 and up, 08 left, clear for takeoff. Clear takeoff, 08 left for Canada 873. Qatari 8994, preceding is in address 320, wind is 050 degrees 9 and up, runway 08 right, clear to land.
$500.
$37,765, 050 degrees 10 knots, 08 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 08 left, Turkish 7765.
Center 5038, bonjour, Tango 2, line up and wait, runway 08 back.
Minimum.
Line up, runway 08 left, after 503, bonjour sir.
$100.
Qatari 18, X-ray, with me, ILS 08 right, drop on.
10.
Qatari 18 X-ray, bonjour, preceding is 747 on the runway, wind 030 degrees 11 knots, runway 08 right, clear to land.
Reverse is normal.
Clear land, 08 right, Qatari 18 X-ray.
Second one, eh?
The next one, yeah.
Tango 3 Pictorique, gauche, Air France 072.
One Hello Turkish 9 is from uniform heavy.
Good morning everybody, this is Captain Slim. We'll do the walk around of the aircraft. We check the general condition of the aircraft and some specific items. We check the probes of the aircraft, okay? All access, air ventilation, the nose gear, so general condition of the tires. We check the nose wheel well, if everything is fine, no leak found. Here the static ports, they are fine. No foreign object in the engines and a good condition. And then we check the inlet of the engine. In good condition. The fan blades. Everything looks fine. And we check the nav lights. Nav light green is working, it's fine. Fuel tank vent. The tank probes. The condition of the flaps and the ailerons. All latches from the APU are closed. And the walk around is complete here. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Hernan. I'm the first officer for this flight. With Captain Slim, we're going to do the flight to Doha, Luxembourg. It's a cargo flight. The flight time is around 6 hours and 30 minutes. We will climb up to 36,000 feet. Weather en route looks good. There is some light turbulence reported. Other than that, nothing special for the flight. The flight is full of cargo and we are ready to go.
V1.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Europe. LNAV.
Checked.
160 set on the heading, 4000 set.
Checked, set QNH 1005.
1005 set, cross check.
Cross checked.
Qatar 8157, good afternoon, continue approach.
Continue approach, Qatar 8157.
Last up capture, miss approach altitude 3000 set, flaps 30.
Speed check, flaps 30. Clear to land runway 24, Qatar 8157.
We're from Amelia 4 to 4 Foxtrot, go septic.
Amelia 4 to 4 Foxtrot, taxi holding point runway 24.
Taxi at the top runway 24, Amelia 4 to 4.
Approaching minimums. 500, 400, 300. Minimums.
Continue.
Check.
200. $100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brake up, reverse as normal.
All clear on the right side.
Check. Good day, start approved as number 2, number 1747, pushing on same apron, runway 24, QNH 1005.
Parking brake is set, APU is running.
Me and the captain, we hope you enjoy the flight. We hope to see you again soon on board on Qatar Airways flight. You guys from your channel or your subscribers watching us, or on any other passenger flights from our network. So thank you for flying with us today, and it was a pleasure having you on board.